What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. The best way to celebrate Space Force is with a shirt. I just picked up this Polo shirt. I will tell you that I think this is an unsanctioned, unlicensed, totally unofficial Space Force Polo shirt. I got it in gray. You can get it in a bunch of different colors. Like I said, until someone starts enforcing it online, at least I don't think you're paying any royalties. Space Force. I'm really excited about it. U.S. Air Force Space Command, I think, or the Space Force, is kind of how it was set up before. So, monitoring space warfare, satellites, those types of things were all kind of the purview of the Air Force until now. It's kind of spun off on its own thing, and we have that very Star Trek looking logo. You can check out my other Space Force t-shirt for a longer explanation of how Space Force came to be, but I actually think it's a no-brainer that there's a separate division that monitors space. And just like I think there should be a separate military branch that monitors the cyber world, which is also the Air Force's purview. So, hey, this United States Space Force, this is the official emblem of it. You can see we have kind of this, what looks like a map marker, little rocket ship, the orbital path right there on a planet. It's pretty cool looking. And this one is in full color. I'm pretty impressed with this embroidery here. There's nothing on the sleeves. So if you saw my video about the XFL shirts, there's an XFL logo on there. But this is really nicely done. It's pretty big too. I'd say this is like 3 inches in diameter. So we get a nice big logo on there. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, it looks good. I look like I'm an employee of Space Force. Hey, if you want to pick up this shirt, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Who knows how long the unlicensed, unauthorized shirts will be available. So I pick it up now because I know that you know that I love Space Force, and I know that you love Space Force too. And if you don't, get on board. The train is leaving, and there's no room for bandwagon fans later. Check it out. Links in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.